Hello ICSE Class 9 students, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing question number 2 of this competency-based question series. We have already done question 1, and if you haven't watched it yet, please check it on my channel. So let's proceed with question 2, and this is also from Physics, Chapter 1, Measurements and Experimentation. So let's read this question. The least count of a ruler is 1 mm, 1 millimeter. What does it mean? So to solve this question, we need to know the meaning of least count. What is the meaning of least count? Least count means the smallest measurement that you can take from any instrument. Suppose you consider the wall clock of your house. There's a wall clock. Now what's the smallest time that you can record from, that you can measure from that clock? Can you tell me what is the smallest time that you can, measure from that clock? Yes, 1 second, isn't it? Most of the, the clocks that we have in our homes, that measures 1 second as the smallest time. We cannot measure lesser than 1 second accurately. Okay, I'm talking about the general clocks, not there are more advanced clocks which can measure even smaller time than 1 second, but I'm talking about the general clocks that we have in our homes generally. So the smallest time is 1 second. So that 1 second is the least count of that clock. So if the least count of a ruler is 1 mm, it means this 1 mm, 1 millimeter is the smallest measurement that we can have from this. So let us read the options. The first option says the ruler can measure lengths only greater than 1 mm. It can definitely measure the lengths greater than 1 mm, but it can also measure the length of 1 mm also. So only greater than 1 mm nahi, it should be equal to or greater than 1 mm. Means it can measure greater than 1 mm, that is correct. But also it can measure length up to 1 mm, means equal to and greater than 1 mm. So it says only greater than, so that makes it wrong. Are you getting the point? The next option says the smallest measurement that can be recorded using this ruler is 1 mm, and this is correct. सबसे छोटा measurement जो हम इस ruler से ले सकते हैं, that is 1 mm. What is option C? Option C says the ruler measures only multiples of 1 centimeter. No, that is not true. A ruler has 1 mm thickness. That's definitely wrong. So the only correct option is option B, which says the smallest measurement that we can record is 1 mm. And we can take 1 mm minimum length, we can read 1 mm of minimum length, and we can definitely read more, bigger lengths than 1 mm. But minimum, the smallest measurement is 1 mm. So option B is correct. So we are doing competency-based questions, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it now so that you do not miss out any of the competency-based questions which are regularly asked in the ICSE board these days. Okay, so you need to practice it from class 9th onwards. So take care and see you in the next video.